For the interior design, we aim to achieve both a cockpit that you can feel Mazda's unique joy of driving and a space where passengers can relax. The horizontal elements are on the steering wheel, making it easier to sense changes in the vehicle's posture, which supports comfortable driving. The horizontal design expressions extending from the instrumental panel to the drivetrain create a sense of spaciousness. In addition, the large center display enriches the passenger experience and emphasizes a modern atmosphere. That concludes the explanation of the design. We will create an opportunity for you to see the design firsthand next time. So please look forward to it.
Next, I will explain the package. We designed the package that encourages customers to enjoy variety of lifestyles. And we provided comfortable space for all passengers, such as family. The first point is accessibility of rear seating. The door openings have been enlarged compared to the current model, making it easier for the children and the elderly to get in and out. Additionally, child seat can be easily installed. The scaffold that children step on has a wide, flat surface for safety and ease of use. Also, when passengers get into the rear seats, there is enough leg room for adults to cross their legs. And it's spacious enough to place a carry-on size suitcase vertically. The headroom has been also greatly expanded. Together with the sunroof and enlarged rear seat windows, this creates an open and comfortable space. A reclining function is also available. The boot space capacity has been increased with a length from front to rear extended, and the liftgate opening has been enlarged vertically to make it easier to load and unload cargo. Additionally, the CX-5 adopted 40-20-40 split-down seats and a one-touch fold-down lever. This allows for the loading of long and large luggage and greatly expands the scope of daily enjoyment. For the all-new CX-5, we took on a new challenge to combine the simple, clean, and beautiful design with comfortable and user-friendly package. We are proud to present the all-new CX-5 to our customers. Today, we focused on the stylish yet useful design and package developed under the concept of the new generation emotional daily comfort. CX-5 has other unique features, including dynamics that combine a high level of unity with comfort. HMI connectivity and ADAS provide the new experience. We will explain these features in the future. Please look forward to it. Thank you.